LinkedIn is a powerful platform for professionals to connect, network, and find new business opportunities. Here are some strategies to help you get clients from LinkedIn. 1. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile is like an online resume that showcases your skills, experience, and accomplishments. Make sure your profile is complete, professional looking, and highlights your unique value proposition. 2. Build your network. Connect with people in your industry and related fields. Join LinkedIn groups, participate in discussions, and share valuable content to expand your network. 3. Be active and engaging. Post regularly on LinkedIn to keep your audience engaged. Share your expertise, industry insights, and thought leadership to establish yourself as an authority in your field. 4. Use LinkedIn Sales Navigator. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a powerful tool that allows you to search for potential clients based on their location, industry, job title, and other criteria. You can also save leads and receive alerts when they post updates or change jobs. 5. Offer value. Instead of pitching your services directly, offer value by providing helpful resources, tips, and advice to your connections. This will establish trust and credibility, and may lead to future business opportunities. 6. Personalize your outreach. When reaching out to potential clients, make sure to personalize your message and demonstrate that you have done your research on their business and industry. 7. Use LinkedIn ads. If you have a marketing budget, consider using LinkedIn ads to target specific audiences and promote your services. By following these strategies, you can leverage LinkedIn to build your client base and grow your business.